Windows can't find the SNMP API Library DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've prepared a guided solution to fix this critical library mismatch. Get the professional SNMP API library fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the SNMP API library, the Simple Network Management Protocol SNMP API. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of localized network management messages between localized hosts and SNMP managers, mandatory for enterprise-level device monitoring. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. This issue is best handled by the Windows Resource Protection Service. Open an elevated command prompt and enter sfc/scan now to allow Windows to identify and replace corrupted core files, such as SNMP API Library DLL. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the SNMP API library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for SNMP API library. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. If your system struggles with its current configuration, the repair utility below provides background information on SNMP API library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved SNMP API library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.